Welcome back guys to another video. In this video we are going to look at the stock dollar tree DLTR and see whether it is offering any entry point at the price range of $90, and we will be looking at its stock chart and look at the history of where it was before and how it's trading today and where it can go from here. So before we get started, this is our website, this is our social media site. Please check it out, and if you haven't got a chance to subscribe to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I love to see you guys as a subscriber. So let's take a look at its tracker real quick for Dollar Tree. It is added to the tracker today at the price range of $90.10. The added date is today. So the maximum buying range is 94.61, which is 5% from the minimum entry price. That is our maximum entry price. So if you want to look for the stock for a short-term trading to long-term trading, this is the zone you want to get in. So this is the ideal zone. So you can get in lower than that, but now above 94.61 is considered extended, so you may get shaken out really quick if the market goes south and the stock is going south along with it. So get into the zone. The number one thing to be successful as a trader is getting into the right buy zone. So you guys are looking at the Dollar Tree weekly chart. So the two indicators is 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, which is nothing but 10 weeks moving average and 50 weeks moving average, which is equivalent to the daily moving averages of 50 days and 200 days. And if you look at the stock history, it was trading very well back in 2019, and then it had a breakdown. That is the end of the stock for a while, because it's tried to reclaim the 50-day moving average, and it keep on running into resistance, and the COVID situation didn't help either. But back here in 5/8, the week of 5/8, it regained the 50-day moving average, and it now found support at there, and it even regained its 200-day moving average on this week of 5/29, but it gave up that line really quickly. Then it came down, so now it is finding the support at the 50-day moving average, and this week also it's holding above that line. That is one of the reason it's added to the tracker. So this stock has a little bit potential. It might rally from here, so it might run into resistance at the 200-day moving average line, but I don't see much concerns because it took this line relatively fast last couple of times, so it might regain that line relatively quickly. So hope it can do that and we can see it. So once it clears that line, probably it might now offer us a profitable trade from that point onwards. So we can keep track this stock pretty much every day and how it behaves in coming days. So let's get back to the tracker really quick, and here is a small profit loss projection table for you. So the stop loss is around 82, 89. So anytime if the stock goes down below this price, you may want to close your trade and move on to the next one. So it should post at least 5% gain by July 15th and 20% by September 16th. That is a very high level guide to keep track of this guy. And I will put the tracker link in the description so you guys can check it out pretty much every day. This will get updated at the end of the day every day with the stock closing price. Okay guys, thank you for watching this quick video. I will see you guys in another video. Please subscribe to the channel and check out our website and social media site. We love to see you guys there, and I will see you guys shortly. Have a good night.